In this video, we are going to assemble the GSM alarm unit. To begin with, we will first assemble pole structures and its other components with the nuts and bolts. First is the connection with the solar panel. Connect the wires to the connection point at the backside of the solar panel and ensure the polarity while connecting the wires. Place the solar panel on the solar bracket to be mounted on the pole structure. Pair the wires of one horn siren to the extension wire. Open the back cover of other horn siren and screw the paired wire to the connector. Apply the back cover of the horn siren. Now attach two horn sirens on the bracket and mount it on the top of pole structure. The mounted horn siren can be adjusted as per the need of facing specific direction by rotating and screwing with the nuts and bolts. Unplug all the connectors from the GSM PCB. Remove the screws at the four corners of the alarm cover. Carefully lift the back end of the cover and pull it slightly. Insert the SIM card in SIM tray on the GSM module. Place the PCB cover and screw it back. Insert the glands in the holes at the bottom of the GSM alarm unit box. Connect the siren and push connector to the respective ports on the PCB. Connect the power connector to the power port on the PCB. Insert the extended wires of horn siren through gland on the right and connect the wires to the siren module connector. Connect the SMA connector cable of GSM antenna to the GSM connector on the PCB and pull out the GSM antenna cable through the gland at the left. Screw the GSM antenna clamp on the left side of the box and connect the GSM antenna with SMA connector. Connect the GSM antenna with the SMA connector. Assemble the solar panel frame and siren unit frame to the poles. Fasten the support bracings to the pole. Mount the GSM alarm unit box to the structure and fasten it with the nuts and bolts. Erect the structures in which the GSM alarm unit box is mounted. Place the battery and connect the battery terminals to the solar charge controller. Ensure the polarity while connecting the wires. Insert the solar panel cable through the gland at the middle and connect it to the solar port on the solar charge controller. Turn the power switch on. The green power LED turns on. Disconnect the power connector immediately if the reverse LED glows. Soon after, the NET LED should start flashing. It will start by flashing once about every second, which indicates it is still searching for the network. Soon, the same NET LED will flash slowly once every 3 seconds, which indicates successful network connectivity. Now, wait for the AT light to glow continuously. Then the unit is ready to operate. During the occurrence of flood, after the verification by the caretaker in the upstream, triggers the GSM alarm unit at downstream through a predefined SMS. This demonstration is about triggering the GSM alarm through SMS.